Hi kids, welcome back to Moony. Today I'm so excited. We're gonna make our very own candy. Are you ready?
Yes!
I can't hear you. Are you ready?
Yes!
Awesome! Let's do it! Okay, for this super yummy experiment, here are the ingredients you need. You need some mixing bowls, some hot water, some candy molds. You need 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon, and 1 mixing spoon. Now for the fun part. We have yellow gummy mix, blue gummy mix, red gummy mix, white gummy mix, and some sour candy mix. I'm so excited. What color should we do first? How about, I know, let's do white. First, add 1 tablespoon of the white gummy mix into your mixing bowl. Next, add 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of hot water. Now, stir the mixture. Next, you're gonna put your white gummy mix into your molds. I'm gonna put this one into the clouds. Next, let's make some unicorn gummies. First, I'm gonna make some red ones. First, add 1 tablespoon of red gummy mix to your mixing bowl. Next, add 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of hot water. Yeah, like before. Put this mixture into the unicorns. Next, let's mix the yellow. Last but not least, time to do the blue. Awesome! Now you can just put them in the fridge and wait for them to harden. I think our gummy candy's ready. Look!
Wow!
It worked! Time to package it up. Wow, so cool! Ta-da! Look, we're almost done! My favorite type of candy is sour candy, so I'm gonna add some sour mix. Now we'll package it up. Look, I even have some stickers. Awesome! Thank you so much for making these with me today. I had so much fun. Oh, and don't forget, wave goodnight to the moon for me.